turn square right. Go. 3 right, 60, 1 left, 250. Turn tight, 6 right. 60. 1 right, you're up on the inside, 60. 1 right in, go, 100. 6 left. 150. Turn square right, peel the inside. 40. 2 left and 1 left. Don't cut in the dip. 60. Square left. 40. Turn fast, square left. 130. 1 right, we're bumped up. 80. Crest bump, 40. 5 right, ball on the outside. 130 after. 1 left, 150. Turn square right, tightens. Rock on the inside. 130. 1 left, 1 right over narrow bump bridge. 200. 1 right long. 100. 2 left long. Open, stay middle, go. 1 left, continues for 100. Go, 130. Turn square left. 600 over small crest. One right, 100. Turn slippy, 6 right. Slippy, 6 right. And the 3 left. 100. 2 left, 5 right, go. And the 1 left, 130. 3 right in, 80, 5 left long. And 80, 5 left long. Turn square right. 5 left long, turn square right. 200. 1 right, 40. Tight 4 right. 40. 1 left, go. 60. 1 left again, 200. Hairpin left. And 5 right, 40. 2 right, go. And 1 left long, 60. 1 left over crest, 60. 2 right in, 130. 5 right. And 2 left. And the turn hairpin left over gravel, don't cut it. Hairpin left, don't cut it. 60. Turn square right. Go. 1 left. And the 1 right. And the 1 left, 100. 4 left in, 3 right in, 60. Chicane. 5 left, don't cut it, the luck to be open. 4 right, square left. 5 right, don't cut. 40. 2 left long and square right, don't cut it. And the 2 left, 4 right, past the lane and square left. 40. Middle over crest, 60. Small crest jump and the 3 left and 5 right. Might be slippy, 130. 6 right and hairpin left. 6 right and hairpin left. Rock on the inside. 2 right long. Turn square left. Might be slippy. Slippy maybe. And 2 left. Rock on the inside. And 2 left. 130. 3 right over the finish. 40. 4 left and 6 right. 4 left and 6 right. 25. 25.